Imagine a tiny probe, no bigger than a small car, floating more than 15 billion miles from Earth, so far away that a signal takes nearly 22 hours to reach it, and another 22 hours to return. That tiny probe is Voyager 1, older than the internet, older than the first home computer, older than most people alive today. And for a moment, it went silent. No data, no signal, just nothing. Scientists feared they had finally lost contact with humanity's most distant explorer. After nearly half a century of traveling through the void, Voyager might have gone dark forever. But then, against all odds, a faint whisper came back. Not just a simple, "I'm alive," not just a routine ping, but data that would change everything we thought we knew about the space beyond our solar system. Because what Voyager 1 found out there wasn't emptiness. It was a frontier. It was a landscape. And it is far stranger, far more alive than we ever dared to imagine. In 2012, Voyager 1 crossed the heliopause, the invisible bubble where the sun's influence ends and interstellar space begins. Many scientists assumed that beyond this boundary, things would get quiet. No solar wind, no particle storms, just empty, silent space. But Voyager's instruments began to detect something astonishing. Space was humming. Its plasma wave detector picked up a constant, low-frequency vibration, a kind of interstellar background music that never stopped. And this wasn't just random noise. It was steady, structured, almost rhythmic, as though space itself had a pulse. This was our first clue that interstellar space isn't dead. It's alive with activity, full of energy and motion. Voyager's journey revealed that the space between the stars is not empty at all. It is full of clouds, currents, and magnetic boundaries that behave like weather patterns. Imagine a ship sailing through invisible oceans. That's exactly what Voyager is doing. At times, it passes through interstellar clouds, regions denser than the surrounding void. Its instruments measure sudden changes in plasma density, temperature, and even magnetic direction, as though it's crossing a border into a new continent. Some of these clouds may have been shaped by supernova explosions millions of years ago. The shock waves from those dead stars still echo through space, leaving scars that Voyager is now mapping. Perhaps the most stunning discovery is that Voyager is mapping what could be called the magnetic skeleton of the Milky Way. Its magnetometer shows sudden twists and turns in the galactic magnetic field, as if massive filaments of invisible force are stretching across interstellar space, guiding the flow of matter and cosmic rays. This suggests that our galaxy may be more structured and more organized than we ever believed. Some scientists even think these magnetic fields act as cosmic highways, funneling energy, gas, and even radiation in specific directions, like interstellar trade routes. Voyager has also detected radiation spikes, sudden surges of high-energy cosmic rays. These aren't random. They seem to occur at sharp boundaries, almost like stepping off a cliff into a new, more hostile region. Future spacecraft could use this information to navigate, avoiding areas of extreme radiation and traveling along safe corridors where the cosmic ray levels are lower. This is more than just interesting science. One day, this could save the lives of astronauts making interstellar journeys. But none of this data would have reached us if Voyager hadn't survived a near-death experience. In late 2023, its signals became garbled. Instruments sent back nonsense. Some stopped responding entirely. NASA engineers realized that a cosmic ray, the very thing Voyager is studying, had struck one of its memory modules, corrupting its onboard computer. From 15 billion miles away, they did the impossible. They rewrote Voyager's software, rerouting commands into backup memory that hadn't been used in decades. This was, essentially, brain surgery across space and time, with a 22-hour delay for every message. In April 2024, Voyager woke up. Instrument by instrument, it came back to life, and with each reactivation, it began painting an even clearer picture of interstellar space. Perhaps the most haunting part of Voyager's journey is the discovery that space has a voice. The plasma wave instrument records constant vibrations, like a background note resonating across the galaxy. Sometimes the tone changes, as if Voyager has entered a new chamber of sound. Some scientists believe this hum may be the natural resonance of the interstellar medium itself, shaped by magnetic turbulence, gravity, and the deaths of stars. Others speculate it could be even more fundamental, perhaps a sign that the universe is not as random as we think. Voyager is no longer just a spacecraft. It's a cartographer of the cosmic unknown, tracing the first true map of interstellar space. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you love space exploration, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this with your friends so we can keep exploring the universe together.